Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to track revenue using Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, we need to set up our board. Head over to the left side of your screen and click on Add Board. We'll name this board Revenue Tracking. This is our first step because it establishes the foundation of our revenue tracking system. Next, we need to set up columns. Click on Add Column, select Numbers, and title it Revenue. Now we'll add another column titled Date and select the Date option from the dropdown. These columns are crucial because they allow us to input and organize our revenue data systematically. Now that we've done that, it's time to add our revenue data. This is done by clicking on the cell under the Revenue column and inputting the revenue for that particular day. Make sure to also input the corresponding date. The reason we do this is to keep an accurate record of our daily revenue. Let me explain why this matters. Having this data at our fingertips allows us to analyze our revenue streams and make data-driven business decisions. It's what's happening behind the scenes that gives us the power to drive our business forward. Next up, let's add a formula column. Click on Add Column, select Formula, and title it Total Revenue. In the formula field, type in Sum Revenue. This is a crucial step because it automatically calculates the total revenue for us, saving time and reducing the possibility of errors. Now we'll set up a dashboard. Click on Add View and select Dashboard. In the dashboard, select Add Widget and choose Numbers. From the drop-down menu, select our Total Revenue column. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of our revenue, making it easier to understand and share with our team. Finally, we have to update our board regularly with new revenue data. This keeps our tracking system up to date and allows us to monitor our revenue in real time. And there you have it, a quick, simple, and efficient way to track revenue using Monday.com. Remember, the key to successful revenue tracking is consistency and accuracy in data entry. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. Until next time.